Hi there and welcome back. My name is Mina Sabzian. Today we are going to learn how we can make interactive toggle switch in Figma. Please open the Figma and now we are going to make one rectangle here. Size could be 380 by 200. Corner radius 100. Changing the fill to dark blue. Yes. Hit the O key to bring the ellipse key and hold shift key here. Circle could be 180 by 180. Color should be white. Hit T key or type tool and write off 72. Bold and color white. Could be also. It's better to rename the layer. Background red and it is off text here. Now we are going to duplicate it to make on version. This we are going to make green, but dark green maybe. This should be on. Everything should be aligned together. For understanding these texts in the middle, we can bring this circle here, place it here and choose the off and make it in center. Then you can take this circle up and same thing for on also. We can make it with on text. Center it, then take it off. After creating two buttons, I'm going to delete it. Copy on and bring it, duplicate it and bring it here in center. It's in center, but the opacity should be 0. And off to this side. Holding Shift and Alt together to be straight behind and opacity 0. After creating this button here, now we have to go to select all of these buttons, right click and create component. And same for on button, right click, create component. Now we can select both of them and combine them as a variance. And now Figma will understand that they are variant. And here we can go and rename them. This is component we can call it as an off button. And this one, you can name it for on. And for the main, we can write toggle. After creating buttons and component, and making them as a variant, now we are going to prototype section. To prototype them from first, we are going to this frame, on click, and here smart animate, ease out. It can be 300 milliseconds, but I think that 150 is okay here. And for this, from this we are going to this one unclick, it's remember the same properties. As you know, for presenting, we need always a frame to present. We are going to Asset section, bringing this component here. Then we are going to Presentation mode to see what we have here. As you can see, they are working properly. If you think that the speed is here high, we can go back to Prototype section. We can choose it and make it a little bit slower. For example, 250. And for this also, 250. Again, we are going to Presentation mode. The speed of the toggle is depend on you, how you like to make it. For me, I think that 150 is better. It's working very fast and very smoothly. I wish you learn this technique and you are going to use this in your project. If you enjoyed from this tutorial, please like the video and subscribe the channel and hit the bell button to be informed about upcoming videos. And thank you so much for watching and see you next time. Bye.